In the 1940s, Soviet scientists shocked the world. Inside a dim lab, they connected a severed dog's head to a crude machine that pumped oxygenated blood. To everyone's horror, the head blinked. It moved its ears, even licked its nose. This wasn't a movie, it was real. The scientists were trying to prove they could artificially sustain life, and disturbingly, it worked. The head reacted to light, sound, and taste, a grotesque demonstration of biology meeting machinery. To some, it was medical progress, but to most, it was nightmare fuel. A glimpse of a world where science ignores morality. The disturbing truth: the boundary between life and death is thinner than we think. Addiction was long believed to be caused by chemicals alone, but in the 1970s, Canadian psychologist Bruce Alexander designed a disturbing test: Rat Park. Rats in isolation had 2 water bottles, one plain, one laced with morphine. Alone and bored, they drank the drugged water obsessively, often until death. But in Rat Park, with space, friends, and stimulation, they preferred the plain water. The creepy truth? Addiction is not only chemical, it's social. Loneliness itself is a drug, pushing us toward destruction. What this says about human society is chilling. In modern labs, scientists grow organoids, tiny clusters of human brain cells in a dish. At first, harmless tissue. But then something unsettling emerged. Electrodes recorded brainwaves. And to the shock of researchers, the patterns resembled those of premature babies. These mini-brains were showing primitive signs of consciousness. The disturbing question: if we grow brain tissue that thinks, even slightly, do we create life? And if so, what responsibility do we carry? Creepy science has taken us to the edge of ethics. In the 18th century, Luigi Galvani discovered something that haunted everyone who saw it. He passed electricity through the legs of a dead frog, and they twitched violently. To onlookers, it was resurrection, the dead brought back to life by lightning. The science birthed electrophysiology, but also inspired the legend of Frankenstein. The creepy truth: our bodies are wired for electricity. Even in death, the spark can make us move. Life and corpse, separated only by current. In 1943, whispers spread of a secret U.S. Navy test, the Philadelphia Experiment. A destroyer escort allegedly cloaked with electromagnetism and vanished. Witnesses claimed it teleported, and when it returned, sailors were fused into the ship's steel. Most historians dismiss it as a hoax, but the legend refuses to die. Whether fact or fiction, it's one of the creepiest tales merging science and conspiracy. Which of today's stories disturbed you most? Comment below, smash like, and subscribe, because darker truths still wait to be revealed.